Good morning students, welcome back to online classes once again. Students, we were doing exercise 5C. Till question number 4 we have done. Today we will start from question number 5. Question number 5 is evaluate using properties. It means we will solve this question by using properties. Out of 7 properties, we can use any one property. Why? Because the name of property is not mentioned in the question. That's why we can use any one property out of 7 properties. The question number 1 is 679 into 8 plus 679 into 2. We can see in this question 679 is common. That's why we will write 679 only one time. Then we will put multiply sign. What is left in this multiplication? 8. So we will write 8 in bracket. Then whatever property we will use, we have to mention to the right side of the solution. We are using a law of distributivity. So, we will mention this law to the right side of the solution. Now, we will write 679 as it is. Now, we will solve bracket. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Now, we will multiply these two numbers. After multiplication of these two numbers, we will get 6790. It is your answer. The next question is 284 into 12 minus 284 into 2. We can see here 284 is common. So, we will write 284 one time as common. Then multiply sign. And inside the bracket, we will write 12 minus 2. Because in this multiplication, 12 is left minus sign, and in this multiplication, 2 is left. Understood? Now, in this question also, we are using law of distributivity. Now, we will write 284 as it is. Then we will solve bracket. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. After multiplication of these two numbers, we will get 2840 and it is your answer. Understood? The next question is 55,873 into 94 plus 55,873 into 6. In this question, we can see 55,873 is common. So, we will write this number only one time as common. Then, we will put multiply sign. In this multiplication, this number is left. So, we will write this number inside the bracket. And in this multiplication, 6 is left plus 6. And which property we are using here? We are using here law of distributivity. Now, we will solve. 55,873 we will write as it is, and then we will solve bracket. 94 plus 6 is equal to 100. After multiplication of these two numbers, we will get 55,87,300 and it is your answer. The next is fourth one. 7,984 into 15 minus 7,984 984 into 5. We can see 7984 is common. So, we will write this number as common. Then, we will put multiply sign and these two numbers we will write inside the bracket. In this multiplication, 58 is left, minus sign, and in this multiplication, 5 is left. And which property we are using here? We are using here law of distributivity. Now we will solve it. We will write 7984 as it is. Then we will solve bracket 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. After multiplication of these two numbers, we will get 79,840 and it is your answer. Understood? Question number 6. Find the product of the first greatest number of 3 digits and smallest number of 5 digits. It means in this question we have to find out product of greatest number of 3 digits and smallest number of 5 digits. Product means multiplication of two numbers. First of all, we will find out greatest number of 3 digits, that is 999, and the smallest number of 5 digits 10,000. Now we will find out product of these two numbers. The first number is 999 and the second number is 10,000. After multiplication, we will get 99,90,000 and it is your answer. Understood? In second one, we have to find out product of the greatest number of 4 digits and greatest number of 3 digits. In this question, first of all, we will find out greatest number of 4 digits. That is 9,999. Greatest number of 3 digits. That is 999. Now we will find out product of these two numbers. First number is 9,999 into second number is 999. We can see here both numbers are greatest number and it is very difficult to multiply. So we will use here property. Which property? That is law of distributivity. How? This number we will write as it is and this number we will divide into two numbers. 1000 minus 1. After subtraction we will get 999. Understood? We are using here law of distributivity, so we have to mention to the right side of the solution. Now we will distribute this number inside the bracket. 9,999 into 1000 minus 9,999 into 1. After the multiplication of these two numbers, we will get 99,99,000 minus, after multiplication of these two numbers, we will get 9,999. Now we will subtract these two numbers. After subtraction, we will get 99,89,001 and it is your answer. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks. First one. In bracket 437 plus 3 into in bracket 400 minus 3. First of all, we will solve bracket. Here we will do rough. In first bracket, what is given there? 437 plus 3, that is equal to 414. Multiply sign, then 400 minus 3, that is equal to 397. Out of this two number, this number is already written here. And what is left? That 440. So, we will write here 440 and it is your answer. Understood? The second one is 66 plus 44 plus 22 is equal to 11 into, in bracket, we have to find out the numbers. We can see here 11 is written outside of the bracket. It means 11 is common. What is given here? 66 plus 44 plus 22. And we know that 66, 44 and 22, it is multiple of 11. Let us see. We can write 66 like 11 into 6 plus 11 into 4, that is equal to 44, plus 11 into 2 is equal to 22. We can write this sum of numbers like this. And we can see here in the sum of multiplication, 11 is common, which is already written there. And what is left? 6 plus 4 plus 2. 11 is already written here. Now we will add these numbers. 6 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 12. After multiplication of this number, we will get 132 and it is your answer. Question number 8. Evaluate. First one, 355 into 18. It is difficult to multiply. So, we will break greater number into 2 or more parts. Let us see. We can write 355 like 300 plus 50 plus 5. And we will write this number inside the bracket. Now, multiply sign, then 18. Understood? After addition of these three numbers, we will get 355. Now, we will distribute 18 inside the bracket. 300 into 18 plus 50 into 18 plus 5 into 18. Which law we are using here? Law of distributivity. No need to mention there. After multiplication, we will get 5400 plus, after multiplication of these two numbers, we will get 900 and After multiplication of these two numbers, we will get 19. Now, we will add these three numbers. After addition of these numbers, we will get 6319 and it is your answer. Understood? The next is 6214 into 12. Similarly, we will do this one also. We will break this number. How? Let us see. 6000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4 into 12. Now we will distribute 12 inside the bracket. 6000 into 12 plus 200 into 12 plus 10 into 12 plus 4 into 12. Now we will multiply these numbers. After multiplication, we will get 72,000. And after multiplication of these two numbers, we will get 2400, 120. And after multiplication of these two numbers, we will get 48. Now we will add all these numbers. After addition, we will get 74,568 and it is your answer. Understood? It is your homework for today. Keep practice at home. Thank you.